so our voice is more heard. So they are killing people and calling you terrorists. If you want to stay in your place and be a coward, stay and be a Chekkai and shut up. You can't cry about your history and shut up about history repeating itself in another country. They are killing people, they are beheading children. People are holding their children in plastic cases. You can't shut up about it. They are calling you terrorists. They are the terrorists. They are killing babies, they are bombarding hospitals. You can't shut up about it, you have to speak. أهضروا بأي لغة تهضروها، لازم الناس تسمع، لازم صوتكم يلحق للعالم. هذه ماشي رسالة عربية ولا مسلمة برك، هذه رسالة إنسانية. الناس كاع لازم تهضر.